line where the fork
So-
came through, right there on the sidewalk as well.
The imprint over there is the inside of the, this is the bastion. So this is where the depot was. And we think we scoured to where were these guys going to the potty. So we figured it was on this wall for the drainage, was on that wall, and there was a little chute there where they could do latrine duty and whatnot. But Washington called that the necessaries.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, North necessity. He might have had a sense of humor, I don't know.
Across from South Meeting.
He said there was a